In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use predefined materials in CostMiner, a powerful tool for construction estimating and takeoff. Whether you're a seasoned professional in the construction industry or new to project estimating, understanding how to navigate and utilize predefined materials can significantly streamline your workflow and improve accuracy. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to CostMiner, the dedicated estimating and takeoff software. Make sure you're on the official site to protect your data security. Once you're there, look for the Login button and click on it. You should have your username and password ready to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, follow the straightforward setup instructions on the page to do so. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you will see a list of your current projects. Click on the project you wish to work with. This will take you to the specific project space where you can begin managing your estimates. Now to add predefined materials, find the Insert Item drop-down menu, which should be visible in the project space. This dropdown offers several options for including materials, but for today, we're focusing on using global rates as a method for adding predefined materials. Select from Global Rates, which allows you to choose from a repository of predefined materials and rates that CostMiner provides. Next, you'll be presented with a list of items to choose from. Select the material or item category you want to add to your project estimate. You'll notice that each item has a checkbox next to it. This is useful because it allows you to select multiple materials simultaneously if your project requires that. Tick the checkboxes next to the items you need. Once you've made your selections, click on the Add button to include these materials in your project estimate. This action should navigate you back to your project's main estimating screen, where you can see the items you've added. Now comes the part where you can specify the quantity for each material. Enter the required quantities, and CostMiner will automatically compute the total cost based on the predefined rates. This feature ensures that your estimates are quick and impressively accurate by reducing the need for manual calculations and thereby minimizing potential errors. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added predefined materials to your project in CostMiner. This process significantly simplifies the task of material cost estimation, saving you both time and effort. I hope this guide helps simplify your process of using predefined materials in CostMiner. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy estimating.